organized and spirited tournament. They had brought together 16 teams, and it's not a small feat. I mean, I'm seeing the number of spectators, and it's really encouraging also that so many people have come. This is in relation to the National Unity Day that is being celebrated on October 31st and Police Flag Day. Today's final between Wangui FC and Bangun FC, it shows that these two teams have come up to this mark, and it shows that they have remarkable skills, they have discipline and teamwork that has ensured that these two teams have come up to the final. And I wish both the teams all the best, and I hope that the best team wins. Like we know that Manipur is a sporting house, and we have so many teams from the state. Like we have Neruka FC also, we have Trau FC also, and there are so many players from Manipur who are playing at the national stage also. Like I myself, I am from Jammu Kashmir. We also have a club, Real FC. Last Durand Cup, the team was here, and they were really impressed by the infrastructure, by the players, and their skills. So I wish all the best to both the teams. And again, I want to congratulate and thank the Imphal West Police that they have organized such a big thing in a very short time. And I really wish the best team wins. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Manipur.